Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what the bonfire does in Great Garden. You get it from the fall gear shop. It is this one here. It's a mythical item. Placed down to give a temporary boost for cooking and fall related pets. Boost decreases as fire weakens. So I guess when you cook, it gives you a boost, or it gives a boost for cooking related pets. I'm actually not sure until I place it. I have a lot. Well, I have 5, so I'm just going to place it here. Oh, so you can place 3. And I guess it boosts related fall pets and it boosts cooking. Okay, too close to another one. So you can place a maximum of 3. I guess it does make the cooking time faster. I'm not sure exactly. I'll add one more here. I don't know, but that is pretty much what it does. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.